Riang Desh in Bangladesh refers to the areas of the Chittagong Hill Tracts, CHT, inhabited by the Riang tribe, also known as the Bru tribe. While the Riang community is primarily associated with regions in India, there is also a significant presence of Riang people in the southeastern part of Bangladesh, particularly in the districts of Rangamati, Bandarban, and Khagrachari. Geographical context: Riang Desh in Bangladesh is characterized by its hilly terrain, dense forests, and river valleys. The Chittagong Hill Tracts region is known for its natural beauty and biodiversity, with the Riang people traditionally living in harmony with their environment. Cultural identity: despite being a minority community in Bangladesh, the Riang people have maintained their distinct cultural identity and heritage in Riang Desh. They have preserved their traditional customs, language, and social practices, which are integral to their sense of belonging and community cohesion. Livelihoods: in Riang Desh, agriculture is the primary source of livelihood for the Riang community. They practice shifting cultivation, known as JHUM or slash and burn agriculture, along with growing crops such as rice, maize, and vegetables. Fishing, hunting, and gathering also supplement their livelihoods. Social structure: the Riang community in Bangladesh retains its traditional social structure, with a patriarchal system and a strong emphasis on kinship ties and community solidarity. Traditional leadership roles, such as village elders and community heads, play an important role in governance and conflict resolution. Religious practices: the Riang people in Bangladesh adhere to their indigenous animistic beliefs, where they worship nature, ancestral spirits, and deities associated with the natural environment. Rituals, ceremonies, and festivals are observed to appease spirits and seek blessings for prosperity and well-being. Challenges: like their counterparts in India, the Riang community in Bangladesh faces various challenges, including land disputes, limited access to education and healthcare, and socioeconomic marginalization. In the past, ethnic tensions and conflicts have also disrupted the peace and stability of the region. Cultural preservation: despite these challenges, efforts are underway to preserve and promote Riang culture and heritage in Bangladesh. Community-based organizations, NGOs, and government initiatives work towards preserving traditional practices, promoting education, and empowering the Riang community to safeguard their identity and rights. Peacebuilding efforts: following the signing of the Chittagong Hill Tracts Peace Accord in 1997, efforts have been made to promote peace, reconciliation, and development in the region. The accord aimed to address the grievances of indigenous communities like the Riang people and ensure their socio-economic and political empowerment. Riang Desh in Bangladesh serves as a testament to the resilience, culture, and aspirations of the Riang community in the country. Despite facing challenges, the Riang people continue to assert their identity, preserve their heritage, and strive for a better future in their ancestral homeland.